So today we are going to draw a scenery with the help of easy shapes. At first we will draw a sun. Draw a circle. After that, make small triangles around the circle. I've already made a video of these shapes. I'm giving the link at the top right corner. Watch out that video too. Let's move on to the next part. Draw a trapezium. Please guys, do not use a scale. This will actually improve your drawing skills. Here draw a rectangle. You guys comment down below what the door shape is. Draw 2 squares for the window. Next is a tree. Draw 2 outward curved lines. Join like this. 1, 2, 3. Also for the leaves, 1, 2 and 3. For planter pot, draw a trapezium upside down. Draw a cute little flower with circles, small circles. Draw a path and a pond if you wish to draw. I'm drawing grasses now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And if you want to draw a bird, then let me know in the comment section. That's the drawing. Color it now and practice it. This is it for the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up and share it to your all friends.